बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज जो है वो हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 2 है मॉक टेस्ट 1 का। इससे पहले हमने 22 क्वेश्चंस क्लियर किए थे। अभी फर्दर हम लोग मूव करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 हमारे पास है। द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इन हिली एरियाज। द बॉइलिंग पॉइंट इन हिली एरियाज मीन्स द एरियाज विच हैव हायर elevation, or you can say the areas which are upper from the sea level. You can take the example as well from Quetta to Karachi. Karachi is lower, and the hilly area is Quetta. So the boiling point will decreases when we are on hilly areas. So answer is decreases. Why it is decreases? Because the boiling point is directly proportional to the atmospheric pressure. Next question is discharge versus time graph called. It is so important question for the exam point of view. There are two questions which are intermingled, or you can say which are pretty similar to each other. One is rain versus time graph, rain intensity versus time graphs, and the other is discharge versus time graph. So the discharge versus time graph shows hydrograph, and the rain intensity versus time graph will show heatograph. Question number 25. It was a question of Public Service Commission exam recently held. A simply supported beam having a UDL, uniform distributed load. The maximum reaction will be WL square over 8. Question number 26. For stainless steel, which element is added in steel? Stainless steel means the steel which do not get rust in the passage of time. You can take the example of steel is the plates, jugs, and glasses has been used in varieties. So the element which makes the steel stainless is nickel. Further we move. Question number 27. Choose the semiconductor in the following: silicon, germanium, selenium, all. So the silicon is also semiconductor, germanium is semiconductor, selenium is semiconductor. So all of these is the correct answer. Question number 28. Peak horizontal ground acceleration for the seismic zone 4 according to Pakistan building codes. So the peak horizontal acceleration for seismic zone 4 according to Pakistan building code, it should be greater than 0.2 g. Further we move. uh, According to Pakistan building codes, when the soil properties are not known, which soil properties are recommended to consider? In our Pakistan building codes, when you see the properties of different soils like SA, SB, SC, ST, which are categorized into groups. So, if you are working on a field and you see that there is no properties was given, or rather you can say that it is very difficult to find out the properties of soil, so you have to take soil SD for your consideration. So its right answer is SD. Question number 30. According to Pakistan building code, the code for testing ready mixed concrete, so it is ASTM C94 for ready mixed concrete. Water absorption for first class brick. The water absorption for first class brick is 10%. The centroid, or the center of gravity of triangle. When you are doing preparation for the exams or tests, it's any exam or any test, the center of gravities or the moment of inertia. These two are very important for you. have to clear these things before you are going to appear in your exam. So the center of gravity or the center of triangle is 1 upon 3h. Here no option is correct. So D is the correct answer. None of these. Further, we move to question number 33. In which system of water distribution main and sub branches are at right angle? So actually the dead end system where we have the main pipe system and the sub branches system which are interconnected at the right angle. The correct answer is C. When the wall is at rest and the material is in its normal state, then the pressure applied by material, so neither wall is moving, neither the backfilling material is moving. So it means it is actually the pressure at rest. Question number 35. The point which at an imaginary line passing through the center of buoyancy and the center of gravity called metacenter, metacentric height, center of buoyancy, buoyancy. So it is metacentric height. Metacenter, the point where oscillation start, and the metacentric height is the imaginary line between the center of buoyancy and the center of gravity. Next is the strength reduction factor for column 0.9, 0.85, 0.80, 0.65 to 0.75. Actually, the strength reduction factor for column is 0.90. The last question of this lecture is metal bar that is bolted to the ends of two rail joints to join them together called. It is actually the repeated question. You can say that the question has come in your previous papers. So the right answer is actually these are fish plates which bolted to ends of rail joints to join them together. Apron actually used in airports. Locus it is used where the train stop, and the rail gauge it is the running rail distance between two running rails are rail gauge. So the fish plate is the right answer. I hope so you have cleared all these questions. Still you have any problem, any confusion, so you may comment. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.